May nakukuhang payout dito quarterly, and it's been paying about 5 to 6% per annum. Ayan, no? The last payout, it was about 5.53% annualized. Tapos quarterly siya, no, divide siya into four for the whole year. And since December 2023, it has been consistent in the payout about between 5% pataas. So that's our AIA Monetary, which is invested in the Global Dynamic Income Fund. So, one-time pay lang siya. So, ito lang yung masasabi kong insurance na talagang close to investment talaga. Kasi maliit lang yung insurance component, 125% lang ng pera mo. Ayan, oh, your money is insured 125% in case of death. So, maliit lang yon. Meaning, kung may 1 million ka, 1.25 million yung makukuha ng beneficiaries in case of death. So, 250,000 lang talaga. Maliit lang yung insurance. Maliit lang yung cost of insurance on, especially kung bata ka pa. 'Di ba? So, kumbaga more focused in terms of really growth ng pera. Ang maganda dito sa monetary, two-tiered siya, dalawa yung chances for the money to earn. There's a potential to get dividends. Again, not guaranteed yung dividends, pero so far, since 2023, it has paid about 5 to 6% annually. Right? Tapos 4 times nagbabayad dyan. Of course, divide mo siya sa 4. No? So, ganun nangyayari. Depende sa mga dividends na nagpipay out quarterly. Tapos, aside from that, although it's not capital protected, may chance din na tumaas yung capital mo. Sumabay sa growth ng global economy. Diba? Maganda kasi na naka-invest tayo sa global economy kasi ang problem sa Philippines, although mura, cheap ang PSE ngayon, the Philippine Stock Exchange, kaya lang sobrang bagal tsaka parang ang baba talaga ng ceiling. Maliit ang market. We're only about 100 million Filipinos, unlike the billions of people all around the world. Tapos yung laki ng mga businesses, talagang global, no? So iba pa rin talaga, like abroad, there's AI, tech, etc. Hindi lang property and banking and consumer goods dito sa Philippines. Alright, so yun yung maganda kay Monetary. The minimum premium is only 125,000. Alright, and then if you are investing at least 1 million, waive yung entry fee. Kasi syempre meron niyang entry fee, no? And then, it's globally invested, tapos professionally managed. One of our major fund managers, of course, it's managed by AIA Investment Management Singapore. And then, BlackRock. If you know BlackRock, it's the biggest fixed income fund management company. Diba? So, ang laki ng assets under management niya. Diba? And then again, potential to get dividends. May holding period na at least 5 years, but you can withdraw anytime subject to withdrawal charges. Maliit lang naman, from 5% sa year 1 to 1% na lang sa year 5. Beyond 5 years, wala na po siyang withdrawal charges. And then you can top up anytime. So that's our monetary. Alright? So again, yung perang nilagay mo, may konting insurance, but mainly it's invested abroad. You do not need to change currency. In peso ka magpapasok ng pera kay AAA, and then kami na po bahala mag-convert into dollars, and then again, it's invested and handled in Singapore. All right, so that's what I'm encouraging you to do. No, grow today your money. Grow your money today. Kung meron kang perang natutulog, kaysa natutulog lang yan sa bank, lagay natin dito so that your money works for you. Of course, you should be in the Philippines for you to sign. So if you're an OFW, I'll wait for you kung kailan ka makaka-uwi dito. Dapat nandito ka sa Philippines pag nag-sign, no, para at least pag punta mo abroad, then it will start working for you na. No? So the quarterly payouts, it's paid out to your bank, deposited to your bank on a quarterly basis. Like every March, June, September, and December. Yan yung schedule ng payout po natin. No? So again, what you need to do is send me a message, and then we will have an online meeting, and then we can process either online or face-to-face. Diba? Kasi I will help you process AIA. So again, AIA, I'm with AIA Direct. We're not with BPI. Si BPI po is our distributor lang din. So kami po is direct from the company. So I will help you with this AIA Monetary. If you are interested, send me a message.